All right. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, but I'm just going to show you guys exactly what most of the flow guys are seeing. I'm not saying this is him, but for most likely it is. 99% chance this is him. Look at the size of these cells below the bid, 3.26 million, 3.25 million, 1.29. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Right? This is very obvious. The size of these contracts getting sold every single minute, there's no one else that's going to be doing this. This is him. We all knew that there were over 170,000 in open interest, and that was him. It was stuck there for weeks and weeks and weeks. We've been tracking it all this time, and then today, 58,000 of them gone. Right? And now we're seeing way more sells below the bid. So tomorrow's open interest is going to update, and you're going to see that there's going to be, let's say, another 60K, 70K. Okay. So the data does not lie. This is most likely him selling. Do what you want with GME. You can buy more. You can sell more. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. But the data does not lie. Good luck. This is just a fact. Good luck. See you guys in the next video.